So how did you get into it? Like, have you always done affiliate marketing? Like, what draws you to that space? Like, tell us your backstory.
Yeah. I was her affiliate manager the year before in
Okay.
2019. And then I came in because, well, I had set up the program and so offered to do a training, but also trained Allison, who's still,
Yeah.
and like
She's
has
crushing it,
elevated. I
right?
was just texting with her actually before coming in here because she's amazing. But I got started a few years before that. It was sort of like, just those dots you can't connect looking forward, but looking back, I was working in like the launch space and helping Selena Sue,
Yep.
who is a big connector, with her course launch. And it was like her first like 7-figure course launch. We had 200 affiliates. And I like really was just getting started. Like all I knew about it was still, like the Amazon stuff. So I was really coming in cold, but hungry of like, I just like want to strategize with everybody. I did 200 strategy calls. Now I've done thousands, but
Yeah.
200 strategy calls with every affiliate. Like, how can we map out your promo? And I just fell in love with it. I'm like, people getting to share products, programs, services that they love, trust, care about, and making money, and the business getting to grow, paying their friends instead of corporations.
Yes.
Like, what?
Yeah.
Sign me up.
Yeah.
All day.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, and that's what I think that where I get so disappointed when someone has like, well, I'm only making 20 cents on Amazon, so it's not worth it. It's not worth it. And I'm like, oh my gosh, like they need to meet someone like you that's super enthusiastic about, no, because you have this type of audience or because you have these channels that perform really well, you can actually do this, this, and this. And so I would just love to hear, because obviously I think the easy interview question would be like, well, Laura, tell us your secrets. Like, what are the how-tos? But because you've talked to so many people, what is that like big mistake, or what's the thing that people get wrong so often? Because my audience is a good mix of podcasters, YouTubers, but they're also course creators that are looking like, oh, one day I want to have an Amy Porterfield size affiliate program, or I want to have the ability to do that. So what piece of advice would you give to them? Like, this is what not to do.
Ooh, I love it. And I can speak to it from the like business side and also from the affiliate side. But I would say if you one day want to have a big Amy Porterfield size or whatever, even 6-figure, affiliate launch, I would say do not wait to create relationships. Start creating connections now. Like I did this without having my framework. Again, it's that whole dots thing. But like I went into a program and I'm like, I'm a launch strategist and I'm going to be booked out soon. And I want to meet tech VAs and copywriters and all these people I can refer my clients to. And that's like, I planted all these seeds, made all these relationships. And that's like how I got introduced to the world of affiliates. And so I just think like build relationships now and pour into them. Be as generous as possible. So that way, when it comes back around, you have those people that you can say,
yeah,
hey, like, let's do this thing.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.